Today's Bible verse comes from Isaiah chapter 12, verse 2, King James Version. Behold, God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid, for the Lord Jehovah is my strength and my song. He also is become my salvation. Isaiah 12:2 is a verse about trusting God as the source of salvation, strength, and joy, which eliminates fear. It declares, God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid, for the Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. The verse emphasizes that God is the sole source of salvation, and that faith in Him provides the strength and confidence to overcome fear. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, God as salvation. The verse core message is that salvation comes from God alone, not from one's own works. The repetition of God is my salvation highlights this central truth. Number 2, trust and fearlessness. Trusting God leads to a state of fearlessness as He provides safety and security in the face of challenges. Number 3 is strength and song. God is presented as both the source of one's strength and the subject of one's song of praise and joy. And number 4, a song of praise. The verse is part of a song of thanksgiving, with the worshiper inviting others to witness the powerful work of the Lord in their life. Amen.